it has been always understood that when the customers are asking for some tablet-based machines, they are always asking, we need one tablet-based machine. That's all. As a manufacturer, it's a great confusion to everybody. What type of tablet-based requirement? How many tablet-based requirement? Therefore, we always believe that there should be some guidance to our customers or to the people who are collecting these type of machines and data. Initially, when we are thinking that we need to go for tablet-based machines, it means one need to discuss whether you require single rotary or double rotary. Single rotary and double rotary, both selection is depend upon some formulations, depend upon some productivity. Suppose beta lactam, CEPHA, that type of products are there. You can select some single rotary tablet trays, but where there is a questions of high productivity, then people will go for the double rotary. Once again, as a customer, when they ask us whether we want single rotary or double rotary, we always ask them, do you have any URS? Or do you have the specific requirement you have prepared for it? This is also good and important thing. That as a customer, you should prepare this type of URS or this type of some basic requirement for a tablet-based machine. You should also very much clear if you have specific brand in your machine.
आ रही है लेकिन हमें नहीं आ रही.
That particular brand also should be cleared or should be shared with the manufacturer. It doesn't matter. It will give easy approach and easy selection for every manufacturer. That okay, you have this particular thing in your mind, and better we should give the same model or equivalent model for that. Apart from that, requirement, they would all suitable test, but whether it is a D tooling or B tooling or BB tooling, because some exercise you should do first. That when we are planning, you will have you should plan, make some exercise that what are the formulations we have, maximum D tooling or B tooling or BB tooling. And on that, you should plan to ask and to select that particular model that will help you a lot, and to the manufacturer, any manufacturer, not only me, to select a good model for you, appropriate model for you. Apart from that, one should know how much productivity we require out of this production. Normally, each and every manufacturer will put or in their catalog, there will be a specific record that our product or our machine will produce this much, but it is not there, never. Why? Because when it is returned, it is a factory set and factory settled maximum output. In practice, when we go over there, we see that it comes to 50%, 60%, or maximum 70% of that particular tablet over there. Therefore, if you want that, we want 200,000 tablets per hour, practically, it means that you should select at least 300 or 400,000 tablets per hour machine over there. That will help you. There are three types of tableting machines worldwide. One is the manual setting over there. Second is the hydraulic, and third is the fully automated. When you are asking, or as a customer, you should be very much clear that what type of technology we require. Each and everything costs also. You should keep that what is the budget. According to that budget, your selection will help you a lot. As a manufacturer, if somebody is quoting as per your general inquiry, send us the quotation for this and send us the quotation for this. And manufacturer, enthusiastic, they will be sending you fully automatic machine. But if it does not fall in your budget, you will put that particular inquiry or quotation aside. It's not a fault of the manufacturer. As a customer, one should be very much clear that what we want and what we do not want. If a manufacturer is guided this way, then manufacturer can give better solution for you. Once again, in this, it should be told to the manufacturer that which type of granulation you will be using, dry granulation or wet granulation. Both the granulation has a big impact on the tablet compression. If dry granulation is there or ready-made granulation is there, then definitely you require pre-compression machine with the pre-compression. Otherwise, general product will be useful to you. This is what. Where the granules will be used, you will be using in the plant or it will be ready-made. Because in the plant, if you are using the APD RMG granulation, it is always seen that you can make formulation according to your requirement. Ready-made granulations, they have the predetermined values. You cannot add on, you cannot delete it. Therefore, good granulation, wet granulation, if factory made, the tablet press also will deliver good productivity. All depend upon the selection of the machine. Apart from that, operational voltage, frequency, if possible, share with them. Normal manufacturer may share 415, but normally in your country, it is ranging low voltage 380. If it is told to the manufacturer, then better solution once again you can be delivered. Frequency, normal frequency is 50, but some European countries or some other countries, there is a 60 hertz. That is also to be mentioned very much clearly. Some manufacturers take a machine and then say us, we will be keeping the machine on the second floor, on the first floor. Here also there is a question. If it is clear to the manufacturer on which floor this machine will be placed, then appropriate machine should be delivered or quoted to them. Otherwise, manufacturer can give 7-ton weight compression, and it cannot be lifted also to the second floor. It's a problem. In that case, we can suggest you that, okay, we have less weight and high productivity with this model. Go for this, sir. This is good for the customer. This is good for the manufacturer also. After selecting everything or after getting everything, this type of question arises and it put manufacturer as well as to the customer in a puzzle. Understand? There is also one question whether it is a pharma or non-pharma use. Given us what is the non-pharma use? People use tableting machine for washing powder tablets also, tea tablets, coffee tablets, chicken cubes, soup tablets also. So many other uses are there. Confectionery is there. Lots of the things are there. Their parameters and pharma parameters, it varies at some extent. Therefore, if it is also clear at that level, that is good enough. One should clarify at that selection of the machine to the manufacturer. If the machine is required for pharma or general products or for beta-lactam or CEPHA or for veterinary or for sometimes people ask salt tablet. Nowadays, it is more demanded, salt tablets, effervescent tablets. It's a big market now. If effervescent is clear to the manufacturer while selection of the machine, then manufacturer can offer, we can offer the machine very much suitable for that type of tablets. Therefore, this type of clarity is also very much important. Some customers want machine automated or non-automated. It is also. People say PLC. PLC is not a automatic. Automatic means there is no manual intervention as per European GMP, all motorized, where the all data can be taken out, printed out and stored as per the SCADA 21 CFR Part 11. It's a total different subject, but in one word, all automation comes under this umbrella. So, while putting one inquiry for the tablet phase, this is also to be clear that which type of machine. In the region, people have a mindset of European machine and they will be giving only one tablet based quotation. If they are getting manual or hydraulic, then they are underestimated sometimes. This type of tablets, why it's coming? This manufacturer doesn't know what to put, how to put. Here also this type of clarification is helping to a manufacturer. One more thing, we should ask automation. Nowadays, it's lots of inquiries, and we are also doing the most of the business of the automation machines that AWC, CFC, SCADA, auto rejection, auto sampling. Even the machine is exchangeable turret, where the turret from D tooling to the B tooling and B tooling to the D tooling or BB tooling, any turret can be 3-in-1. Nor nowadays need of keeping 3 cubicles for the all 3 type of tablets or 3 type of machines. Out of one machine, one can take the maximum utility. Therefore, if you have a good room facility, good budget, and this type of optimistic thoughts in line with the world where they are going, then one should think and clarify at the time of machine selection that we require this type of machine. And definitely, you can get a very good quote out of this also. If you clarify that whether you will be using round shape or capsule shape, what type of tablets will be there. If the shape tablets are Definitely, as a standard or general feature, we give the grooves in the upper punch holes where the tablet punches are held in a better way. But if the type of clarification is there, it helps. We want 3 or 4 couples of punches. You send the quotation. But if you are clarifying that this type of sizes we require, then definitely it will help to the manufacturer to code. Sometimes people ask for, we want 3 machines and they discuss for 1 machine. Sometimes they inquire for 1 machine and then start talking of taking 3 machines. If this type of clarification is also there, it is helping to the manufacturer that looking to the potential, what type of inquiry and what type of this selection is there. That would be specified to the manufacturer exactly what you really need it, and manufacturer will prepare himself for discussion, for negotiation of that much quantity along with you. Maybe that you are more benefited over there. Apart from tablet press, all the time we have seen people ask tablet press. But you also know, everybody knows that tablet press requires dust extractor also. Always. It is to be connected with the dust extractor. Excess dust which is coming out of the tablet compression, it is to be taken out. Therefore, while the selection of the tablet press machine, you add dust extractor and elevating or vibro type de-dusters also, because your finished tablets will require the de-dusting also over there. Nowadays, people go for the material transfer system or vacuum transfer system. It's a good practice. Lots of material loss can be saved over there. One financial question also should be delivered, whether US dollar or euro. That is also more important. Always tell